Hello and welcome to Category Management module. In this module, we will discuss the definition of category management, the benefits of having a category management in place in your organization, and the models that we can use to categorize products, services, and suppliers to ensure that we deliver the best value and acquire more savings while managing suppliers, products, and services under different categories to have a better negotiation with suppliers, how to build a stronger relationship with suppliers, how to handle any disruptors like pandemic, natural disasters, wildfires, and how can having a category management in place can help you to contain any challenge that you might face. We can use the models for category management as we discussed the two most commonly models, the direct and the indirect spend model. Now, the direct model meaning for whatever you are buying and you are giving directly to your customers. Um, that's the spend model. Now, whatever you are buying for your organization, that's an indirect spend module. The other model is the capex versus the opex model. So we are talking about buying an asset, buying a piece of machinery, buying a building for the organization. You are buying something that your organization will use for extended period of time. That's called capex. Now, the OPEX model, the operational expenses, is the day-to-day activities you buy to keep the operations running in your organization. Finally, we will have a summary of this module. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next section.